Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Mould King's build and it's a Lambo 10045. It's 1349 pieces. It's got Mazoa covering the Mould King's label, so I don't know if that's a company the same as Mould King's and they just sent it out as theirs. There's some sticker issues I'm seeing with like different spelling, so I'm guessing they haven't got any licensing for the real logos. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put these stickers on. We'll see how we get on now. Could be a good build. It's not Technic Lego, yeah, it's actually Lego pieces. Might be decent with the detail. Now we have the end product of the Mould King's Lambo Countach. Wasn't a bad build in the end. There was some complicated bits that I messed up and had to go back and do. The instructions wasn't straightforward as I thought. And I didn't want to put the stickers on with the not the right licensing for the real logos, so I didn't want to ruin it with different spellings, but it looks quite decent as a plain car anyway. All in all, good build. I'd definitely recommend getting one. Doesn't matter if it's Mould Kings or real Lego or whatnot. If it's about the build, I'd definitely get one. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next build. Thanks.